Hello everyone, today I'm going to share these beautiful DIY decor ideas that you can easily make at home. So firstly I have taken this type of bottle, I have cut into half, and now using wall putty dough I'm going to cover this hole in the shape of a bird. I'm attaching its beak and its tail. So it has dried, it has taken about 24 hours to dry. Now I'm going to paint it with red paint, and similarly I have created one more and I'm going to paint that one with navy blue. Now the red paint has also dried. I'm going to make some designs over it like this, and on the tail also I'm going to make this zigzag design. I'm going to paint the eyes with black and white, and similarly I have given some more features on the navy blue one also. Like this, I'm going to make some designs for its wings like this. And using light blue, I'm going to make one line over the wings. Now I have taken a thread and I have also made these leaves and beads using wall putty dough only. I'm going to make this type of tassel, and I have taken this type of rolls and a thread, and we are going to insert this into the bird like this, and this similarly I will do it on the red one also, and this is also done. Like this we have made the first one. Now for the second one I have taken a plastic bottle, I have cut into half, and using wall putty paste and wall putty dough I'm going to cover this hole. I have attached a wire to make the handle, and we are going to give some design like this. Let it dry completely. So now this has dried. We are going to paint it with navy blue like this, and I'm going to make some dots using white and orange to give some more detailing, and this one is also done. For the birds, I have already created birds using wall putty dough only. I'm going to reuse these one also. I have painted it with yellow and red paint again, and this one is done. Now for the cute swing planter, I have taken this part of the plastic bottle and popsicles. Firstly, I'm going to apply water and we are going to cover it with wall putty dough. Now I have also attached the legs and hands. I'm going to paint it with beige color, make some facial features, and this is done. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.